Dear viewers, I am Sujit Kumar Baroi, lecturer, Mahila Degree College, Mahila Gaunodi Borishal. I deliver lecture on English grammar, especially transformation of sentence, parts of speech, narration, voice, etc. Now I have a new tutorial on English grammar, that is transformation of sentence. I Sujit Kumar Baroi welcome to all my viewers to my channel English Learning, and I shall teach you how to transfer a different kind of sentence. At first we want to describe details about sentence, especially how many kind of sentence in English grammar. I see here is a chart on English grammar, especially transformation of sentence. At first we have to know about sentence. What is sentence? Sentence is a group of word which has a clear sense. Again, sentence is a group of words which has a clear sense and has a subject and a verb. So there are different kind of sentence, and we can say we can classify sentence in different kind of, as for example, sentence meaning. We can classify sentence according to meaning. That means assertive, interrogative, imperative, operative, exclamative. Number two, we can classify sentence according to a structure, that is simple, complex, compound. Number three, we can classify sentence according to degree, positive, comparative, superlative. Number four, we can classify sentence according to two, that is voice, active and passive. This kind of sentence can be converted from one part to another. Today's lesson is to transfer the sentence from assertive to interrogative. Assertive to interrogative. And I shall explain about transformation of sentence part by part details in next class. My first class I shall teach you how to transfer sentence from assertive to interrogative. Okay, let us know how can transfer a sentence from assertive to interrogative. This is the sentence which is assertive sentence. Assertive, they are good boys, she was ill, Rina can help me. All kind of sentence are assertive sentence. That means assertive sentence is a sentence which has which narrates something or describes something. Again, assertive sentence is a sentence which describes something or narrates something of any kind of object. An interrogative sentence is a sentence which asks something or inquires something or want to know something. It is interrogative sentence. Sorry. How can I transfer from assertive to interrogative? There is some rules to transfer from assertive to interrogative. A first rule, we can tell a first rule, to change assertive to interrogative, we can at first set auxiliary verb, next not, next subject, next main verb, and next expression. Okay, what is auxiliary verb? Oh, there are different kind of auxiliary verb. Am, is, are, was, were. This kind of verb is be verb. Beside this, do, does, did is auxiliary verb. We They are good boys. Are here auxiliary verb. She was ill. Was here an auxiliary verb. Rina can help me. Can here is an auxiliary verb. But I help him, there is no auxiliary verb. Farzana eats rice, there is no auxiliary verb. We saw him, there is no auxiliary verb. There are main verbs. I help main verb and present tense. Farzana eats main verb and third person singular number. That is why S was added. We saw him, it is past tense. These verbs are main verbs. So we can make integrative sentence by taking auxiliary verb at first, then not, then subject, then main verb, then session. Now let us do some sentence in integrative. They are good boys. I can make this sentence integrative as are aren't, not shrunk, not in short, in short, aren't they good boys. At last we can set up note of introduction. Aren't they good boys? Auxiliary verb, not, subject, main verb, and extension. Number two, she was ill. Wasn't she ill? Note of introduction. As per the structure, auxiliary verb, not, subject, main verb. Next, Rina can help me. Can't Rina help me? But number four, I see there is a note in the sentence number four. So we should make this integrative sentence exceeding note. We should cut off note or we should not write note in the sentence. Then we can write to integrative sentence as is Sheila helpful? This is integrative sentence. That means if there is not, we should not write not in the integrative sentence. We should avoid not. This is the example of integrative sentence which has auxiliary verb, but which has not auxiliary verb, which has main verb. How can we write this kind of sentence? Okay, we should write this sentence by I help him. Here is a main verb. Then we should, sorry, here we can take do not as auxiliary verb. Don't I help him? Don't I help him? Don't I help him? Yes, there is no auxiliary verb, we can take do not, does not, did not. Do not as a present tense, does not which has third person, did not which is past tense. But don't I help him? Number 6, Farzana eats rice. Doesn't Farzana eat rice? Doesn't Farzana eat rice? Here its s has added to doesn't, so we cannot see s with its. Doesn't Farzan eat rice? Next, Farzan we saw him. Here we can write didn't. Didn't we see him? This is integrative sentence. We make this integrative sentence from assertive sentence, which has no auxiliary verb, which has main verb. So I help him, don't I help him? Farzana exercise, doesn't Farzana exercise? We see him, didn't we see him? This kind of sentence has no auxiliary verb, has only main verb. So we take do not, does not, did not. Present tense do not or does not. Where has no s, don't. Where has s with verbs, doesn't. Where the sentence is past tense, didn't receive. We can turn from assertive to interrogative in this way. This is the first rule by which we can transfer from assertive to interrogative. Next, I shall show you another rule from assertive to interrogative. How can we turn from assertive sentence to interrogative? Okay, thanks for watching my video tutorial. I am Sujit Kumar Baroy, lecturer Mahira Degree College, and I shall came before you with another tutorial on English grammar transformation of sentence, assertive to indicative. Okay, thanks. Goodbye.